At this sleepy crossroads in Virginia, you'll find two things that take you back almost 100 years. A restored Sinclair gas station that looks frozen in time, and a wooden post placed here by a young George Washington. Long before gas cost $5 a gallon, stations like this dotted every road trip. This one's been beautifully restored, not to sell fuel, but to keep history alive. This post was planted in 1750 to guide travelers to Lord Fairfax's estate. George Washington, who was just 18 at the time, helped survey the land, and he placed the post right here. Places like this remind me why I love the back roads. There are no lines, no fees, no hype, just quiet stories waiting to be remembered. If you're into finding odd corners of America most folks drive right past, hit that subscribe button. I've got more of these coming every week.